measuring cup, borax, and also a Ziploc bag for your slime to put in at the end.
Do you need any water for this?
You could, but I don't want to.
Okay. How much did that glue cost, by the way?
I don't want to tell.
Why not?
Because I don't remember.
Yeah, right. You knew it was something along $5. Well, this is a special one, right?
Yeah, this is glow in the dark. That's why it's so much money. Okay, well, I think I'm just going to sit it here to see if it'll come out. Next would be adding borax into the water.
Okay. What are you going to use to actually add it? You're going to use a measuring cup you have there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I'll put a little bit. Let me just put this down. Hey, I just noticed that there's more glue in here. Nope, there's none.
Wow, you almost just made a mess on yourself.
I know.
Okay. That's all?
Yeah, I don't want to put too much.
By the way, borax is also known as a
Detergent.
detergent booster, right? You're putting it with water? Okay. Why don't you just pour the whole thing? You didn't really pour much in there.
Okay, now I need to mix this.
Oh, wait, do we need a spoon?
Yeah, we need a real spoon.
Oh, you needed a spoon, huh?
Yeah, because this is obviously so big. I'm going to add a little bit.
Is it too watery, or is that good?
It's good. Just add a little bit, though. Add a little bit, because sometimes when you add a lot...
Well, how are you supposed to mix this stuff with the thing?
It's so gluey, though. Yeah, so we're going to add some more, though.
What, of the water?
Yeah.
I'll help you here.
Yeah. It's not working.
It really isn't. It looks like paste. You sure that doesn't have to be more watery?
I think because we added too much activator.
Hmm?
They're getting together. It's just not.
Don't lie. It's only been like 5 minutes. Don't say 2 hours later, because then you'll be lying to the people that are watching.
I'm just being a little sarcastic. It's supposed to be stretchy.
What does that mean, though?
Usually, sometimes when it happens like that, that means you either added too much of the activator. That's when it really breaks a lot. You said it's lotion supposed to make it more stretchier. That's what a lot of people do.
Now, go ahead.
So we're adding lotion now because it's not stretchy enough. Because it's a little breaky still. Whoa! You just made a...
Yeah, massage it in.
Yeah, let's just massage it in. Stretch it out while we're doing it too.
This is a hydrating body lotion.
It's breaking still, but it's okay.
It smells good.
Yeah, at least it smells good. Is it me or just you see those bumps on it?
At least it'll glow in the dark later. You're not going to use that last bit. It looks like bubble gum.
Yeah, it does. Hey, put hashtag bubblegum slime.
So what do you think at this point that this project is a pass or a fail?
It actually feels nice. It's stretchy. So I think it's in the middle of a pass and a fail because it's bumped.
Did this project work? It looks like it's glowing in the dark, right?
Yeah, it is kind of. And this is pink and it's glowing red. I mean orange.
Let's see. Put it in this closet here. See how it looks.
It kind of does work. You can't see it, right?
Yeah, of course you can. It is glowing in the dark.
So, it did not lie. It's telling the truth. I think this is a pass.